Alright guys, our trip to Great Wolf is over and now we are in Fort Worth at the Fort Worth Zoo on Wednesday, April 9th at the Fort Worth Zoo. New zoo, it looks fun. It's bigger than Dallas Zoo, so we chose this one. And Catherine, our friend, highly recommended this zoo. Are you excited for the zoo?
Yeah.
Are you excited for the zoo?
This is my second zoo I went to.
Oh really? That's right, because the Seattle Woodland Park Zoo. Are you guys ready for the zoo?
Yeah.
And Camden, what animals do you want to see?
Elephant.
Elephants?
Yeah.
Cody, what do you want to see? What do you want to see, Cody?
Elephant.
Gorillas?
Elephant.
What about you, Carson? What do you want to see?
Gorillas.
Gorillas, yeah.
I want to see.
I want to see a crow.
I want to see.
I want to see.
I want to see giraffes and flamingos.
Yes, giraffes. I like the flamingos a lot. It's beautiful out today. It's supposed to be like 80. It's supposed to be 86 degrees today. Okay, that's kind of hot. So good thing we got here early. Okay, so today at the zoo we've got Asian elephants, gorillas, greater one-horned rhino, red wolves, bonobos, hippos, jaguars, and mountain lions.
So we have to see the... Yeah, they have elephants, baby. Like he wanted...
What's that, Cooper? It's busy. Alright, this is the gorilla habitat. There's some cool gorillas over there, huh? I like that. And I think there's more on the right.
One is laying down.
See the little one playing?
One is laying down.
So this zoo also has a train, but unfortunately the train is closed today. What's this fun fact about flamingos?
Flamingos are actually white.
Why are they pink then?
Because they eat salmon.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
That's cool. I didn't know that. Where'd you learn that at?
I've been first grade about I researched about flamingos.
There's a lot of white ones.
Wow. The indoor exhibit. This is a pretty cool indoor exhibit, right? There's an orangutan over here. That's cool. Okay, over here it's Rafiki, and then there's this tiny, tiny baby right by the tree. Like right there is a tiny baby. And then Rafiki up here. I don't know if you can see him or not. A better view of Rafiki here. I like Rafiki, the baby, don't you, Melissa?
They're so cute.
Okay, next we're going to the Predators, Elephant Springs, and the African Savannah. See the sign up there says that's over here. Going on a bus, that's cool.
Hey guys, have a good night. I'm a teacher. Carter, guys. Sit down, sit down. Okay. Sit down, guys.
Okay, so far I'm loving this zoo. It's got some really cool exhibits. It's really beautiful. And a lot of shade. It's also just nice to see the sun. We don't see the sun very often. You ready to see the elephants, Cam? Whoa, they're so big. Whoa. Don't lean him over the fence, Cooper.
Is he a baby elephant? Oh, they're so big.
We don't let them over.
Okay, next the African Savannah. How do you like the zoo so far, Clay? Huh? She hates it. There's a hippo viewing to the left, underwater hippo viewing. Giraffes up here. Whoa, look at the giraffes. Well, there's one really close over there. Camden, do you see the giraffes?
I see the skippies.
Well, look down there, Camden. Do you see those? These people over there are feeding the giraffe.
Oh, what a corn.
giraffe is so close. Camden, do you see the ostriches and the giraffes? Do you like them? Look, let's show everyone how close they are. You see the ostrich, Melissa?
I eat that. I eat that.
Was he eating?
Yeah.
Right there on the fence, pecking at the fence.
I eat. I eat. Whoa. Wow. Oh, and that.
Don't put your hands in.
What?
Is he trying to eat the fence?
Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Come back. Hey,
He's a funny bird, huh? I missed that. Meerkats, it's Timon.
yeah.
Oh look, here they come. This is the hippo area. There's no hippos swimming underwater. I wish there was. Look at all the fish. There's a hippo over here, guys. Look. Whoa. Camden, look. A hippo underwater. There's a rhino over there. Oh my gosh, they're crazy flamingos. Okay, look how close this rhino is. What is that, the rhino footprint?
Come on.
Well, your hands aren't even as big as a rhino's. So we're in the predators area now of Asia and Africa. There's tigers, lions, and leopards. Look at this cheetah right here. Cool.
Lion King goes.
It's just like the Lion King zoo, because look, right there is a hyena.
But he doesn't talk.
No, they don't talk. Nothing like a zoo trip without what, Chloe? Dippin' Dots? Well, we got cookies and cream. Camden, did you get chocolate? Okay, and then Cooper, what did you get?
Cotton candy.
Cotton candy. Cody, what kind did you get? Chocolate? And Carter got what kind? Potato chip Dippin' Dots? Yeah. You got cotton candy? Is it good? Okay, what were you saying the issue was with the kids? They were what?
Hangry.
Hangry, so we're having what, a little break?
A little break. Getting Dippin' Dots and chips.
Yum.
So good.
Carson's already feeling better.
Yeah.
Are you feeling better, Carson? Having some chips and ice cream? And then Carson, what legendary poll do you want to do?
Give us egg on the Minecraft meal.
There, now go.
That has real Dippin' Dots.
You got real ones, not Dippin' Dot chips?
I need to tell them something. I really need to.
What?
I have a Dr. Pepper.
Yum. Alright, we're heading into Raptor Canyon. Sponsored by American Airlines. There's raptors in here, guys. This big bird right here. Camden, do you really like the birds? Yeah. I don't think that's a bird that you would want to meet. Do you think that's a nice bird? No, you don't look nice.
Like the birds can do?
All right, Australian Outback and the Great Barrier Reef. Should we go in there? Wait, you're as tall as a shark? What are they?
Madagascar penguins.
Really?
Yeah.
They do look like those, and they stink, don't they?
You're right.
All right, I'm done. Hi, stinky penguin.
Ew. I'm not.
Okay, over there's the other train station. And then we got a carousel over here.
We have a choo-choo train.
The children's ranch, which is the petting zoo. Are you gonna do the petting zoo, Cooper?
Yeah. We're all going to
And what are we going on now? On the carousel, they have this really cool like Texas town themed area. It's all this. It's like almost like a little theme park over here, isn't it, Melissa?
Yeah.
Ooh, you can go on the wagon. You
I
want to ride the wagon? Okay.
want that one.
So Carson's officially moved to horses on the carousel. You remember when you sat on the bench? Big kid now. And that one goes up. Camden, are you on the wagon with Mom?
Yeah.
Say hi.
Does this one move? I can.
Yeah, it should go up. There you go, you're going up.
Yeah.
Is this fun, Cam?
I have my hands up.
So funny, he has a seatbelt on.
There should be a seatbelt on the horses.
This whole area is called Texas Town. It's kind of like almost like a little theme park. And now we're going to the Toyota Children's Ranch. See right here, Camden, is the petting corral. We can pet some animals.
And open.
Did you touch the pig, Camden? Camden. Get one and brush them. Camden, don't scare them. This is Goat Simulator 4. Oh, there's goat poop on the ground, so don't lean on the ground. With all those little pellets.
What's the pellet?
All those brown things, goat poop. Well, I almost put my knee in one. You can see it feels like a theme park. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
There's the jail, Carson.
I'm going to jail.
This is so cool. This is really cool. An ice cream parlor. Looks like. I love the theming.
That one's right here. Sorry.
It's okay.
Nope. No touching.
Oh, and the old.
You want to go in there? Yes. Okay. It's from Pirates of the Caribbean.
Okay, now we're heading into the Wild Texas Tour. Alligators, bears, mountain lions, otters, and jaguars. Yeah, so far this zoo is huge. Like, it just keeps going, and the theming is amazing. Like, that whole area back there felt like a Knott's Berry Farm or Silverwood or something. Melissa's taking the stroller over the swinging swamp bridge. Hopefully you don't go under into the, because there's alligators in them waters. Oh, it is bouncy. It's real bouncy, Chloe. Look at those swans. Yeehaw! Yeehaw! Oh, I think there's alligators. Harold, we're gonna fall! I'm not really sure what is in here. I think they're like otters. We got river otters. They're all swimming like way over there. Look at this. Camden, lift the alligator's head up again. Alright, we're done at the zoo. The zoo was amazing. I love the zoo. Now we're at the Stockyards in Fort Worth. We're going to go watch the cattle drive, and then we're going to go to Cooper's barbecue pit. Cooper, are you excited to go to a place named after you?
Yeah.
Are you excited for barbecue food?
Yeah.
What are you going to eat?
I don't know.
Pulled pork and chicken?
I don't know.
I'm excited for the cattle drive, aren't you?
I'm so excited.
This is cool, isn't it?
Wow, nice to meet you. Yeah, and
All these little stores. Yeah, I could see this place being really busy sometimes.
and that's this barbecue stuff.
Okay, we just went and got some jerky samples, and I ended up getting this sweet and hot jerky. It was good. How'd you like the jerky, guys?
Good, good.
Yeah? You liked, which ones did you like? The sweet and hot and the, which one? What was the other one we had?
I like that cherry maple.
Cherry maple.
And go try
And Cooper, you had a spicy one, didn't you? Did you like it? Was it too spicy?
Yeah, go spicy.
She warned you.
In those 12 plus years, I have seen Longhorns get their feelings hurt about something and just
The
take
cattle
off
drive should
running
come
down
up
the
and down
street.
this road.
I've seen it with Tommy Lee Jones, who, by the way, another native Texan. A lot of people think that his scene in that movie was the best scene in the whole movie. So we're blessed to have Barry Corbin narrating our cattle drives. So why did we do the cattle drives twice a day in Fort Worth, Texas? That is a fair question, so let's address that. Fort Worth has a lot of nicknames. I'm aware of 7 different nicknames for Fort Worth. Only
The third is more. It's a reminder of Fort Worth's Western heritage, of the cowboy grit and rugged independence, so ingrained
Yeah, look at 'em.
in Texas spirit. That spirit
The
is
Longhorns.
still here, and you are a part of it. So be sure and tip your hat and say howdy as the Texas Longhorns pass by with our drovers. In the Stockyards, every day is a new
So
adventure.
cool.
And it starts right here with the Fort Worth herd.
One of them pooped. Okay, the cattle drive was short and sweet. I liked it. Chloe loved it. She won't stop talking about it. Did you like the cattle drive? Chloe thought it was too short. But the Longhorns are cool. I've never seen a Longhorn that close before. And now Melissa's back at the beef jerky experience, which we just went to. And super good beef jerky. Very good. What? Mother's Day's next month. They're getting ready for Mother's Day. Yeah, this place is cool. It's not very busy. It's a Wednesday. Down further that direction, there's a lot of people. But this is perfect. Next, we're going to a barbecue place called Cooper's Barbecue Pit, which is going to be good. I can't wait for barbecue pit food. Okay, which ones did you get?
I got sweet and hot, cherry maple, and teriyaki.
Yeah. Did you try them all?
I did not.
No? Oh, I'm just hoping they're good.
I tried the teriyaki.
Nice.
It was so good.
Alright, we made it to Cooper's Barbecue Pit. I'm excited for barbecue food.
It's not Gooper's barbecue pit, it's Coaster's barbecue pit.
Yes, it is. How is it, Cooper?
Good.
Cooper's got a pulled pork sandwich and brisket. Look how good this pulled pork looks. Some brisket. How's your mac and cheese? Was it good? Camden broke his face. Did you hurt yourself?
Right here.
How's your mac and cheese, Chloe? And you had potato salad too, right?
Yeah. So I Camden got hurt kind of right here.
Cooper, are you a big steak fan?
Yeah, I love steak now.
Yeah, I can't eat it. I tried the brisket, almost died.
Vinny. Vinny. I also want to say,
How's your food? What do you want to say?
Vinny, I hope you have fun in Arizona today, and I know you're on the plane and you sent me a photo of the view. It looks like it's partly cloudy in Seattle, dude, so I hope you have fun in Arizona. And it's going to be very hot there.
Alright guys, we are done in Fort Worth today. We did the Fort Worth Zoo, went to the Stockyards, watched the cattle drive, and then just had Cooper's Barbecue, which is here behind me. And it was a great day. If you guys enjoyed, please subscribe, hit that like button, and comment down below if you want to see us do any more travel videos. And also, just a quick little footnote, I am doing travel planning now. You can email me at bestdayevervacationswithalex@gmail.com if you'd like free travel planning. Did you guys have fun? Coop? Carson, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Do you like Camden? What do the elephants do? Say bye.
Bye.